Hello students. Today we are going to learn about tense, classification of tense, that is present, past and future. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is mainly used to express habitual action, habit or custom. For example, I watch television on Sunday. It is also used to talk about general or universal truth. For example, the sun rises in the east. Then it is used to indicate a future event which is part of a plan or arrangements. For example, the school reopens next week. Present continuous tense. It is used to describe an action in progress and the continuity of the action. For example, she is playing tennis. It is further used for the action that is not happening at the time of speaking but is in progress. For example, they are studying in Shankara College. Then it is used for the action that has been pre-arranged to take place in the near future. For example, the wedding is going to take place in March. I am going to attend the class tomorrow. The structure is very simple. Subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus object. Present perfect tense. It is used to express an action that has recently been completed. For example, she has gone now. It is also used to describe an action whose time is not given. For example, have you read Shakespeare? Structure is very simple. Subject have or has plus third form of the verb plus object. Present perfect continuous tense. It is used to describe an action that began in the past and still continuing. For example, we have been staying in the village for days. Then it is used to express an action already completed but whose effect is still continuing. For example, I have been running around for the job all day and now I am tired. Simple past tense. It is used to report an action that happened in the past. For example, I broke the vase. It is also used to indicate past habits or repeated events that are now over. For example, I always rode a bike to school when I was young. Past continuous tense. It is used to indicate an action that was happening at some time in the past. For example, she was reading the book. Past perfect tense. It is used to indicate an action that was completed before a definite time or before another action that took place in the past. For example, the patient had died before the doctor reached the hospital. It also indicates desires in the past that have not been fulfilled. For example, I wish I had scored good marks in class 10th. Past perfect continuous tense. It indicates an action which began in the past and continued up to a certain point of time in the past. For example, she had been studying in Shankara College for 3 years. Simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to say what we believe or think will happen in future. Example, they will go to the school. It is also used for the things which we cannot control and are factual. For example, the sun will rise at 6 a.m. Future continuous tense. It is used to indicate an action that will occur in the normal course. For example, I will be meeting him tomorrow. It is also used to indicate an action that will be in progress at a given point of time in the future. For example, we will be watching the movie at this time tomorrow. Future perfect tense. This tense is used to describe an action which will be completed at some point of time in the future. For example, I shall have finished this work by tomorrow. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action that will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. For example, I will have been writing my notes for 3 hours. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.